US equity markets were closed overnight for the Martin Luther King holiday period. However, Canadian markets were up just slightly, with oil trading closer to $79 a barrel once again. Over in Europe, markets were also up, with ministers trying to decide what to do with their troubled member states, Portugal and Greece. Earlier this month, Moody's said that both these countries are really struggling with their high debt levels and may even face a slow death. The euro currency has been feeling the pressure recently, with traders really starting to speculate that they will hammer the currency if a bailout does go ahead. On the New Zealand dollar front, we have traded up just slightly against the US overnight, trading at 74 cents against the US on Tuesday morning. The New Zealand dollar did actually drop quite sharply yesterday after the release of the Real Estate Institute housing figures. In December, housing prices dropped by 0.9%. This was the first drop in prices in 6 months, and volume was also down. This has indicated that the housing market has just weakened only just slightly over the past month or two. Remember, New Zealand went through a housing slump through the middle part of 2008, but has come back pretty strongly through 2009. This has really boosted our economic recovery. The drop in the currency did indicate to me that traders are now speculating that the sting will have come out of this market, and this will mean that the Reserve Bank will not feel the pressure to increase interest rates any earlier than they previously thought. The extreme weather conditions in the Northern Hemisphere is having an effect on land markets due to tight supplies. Over the past week in Ireland, scheduled prices have increased around 20 to 30 cents a kilo. All up, they have increased by about 44% since the end of October of last year. It is also looking pretty good in the UK, with prices firming and looking pretty strong for the time being. Here in New Zealand, scheduled prices have unfortunately been dropping, largely due to the high currency. With the likelihood that our currency will be strong through to the middle part of this year at least, it is unfortunately difficult to see that we will see some positive moves for scheduled prices anytime soon.